What if I told you that you might be about to throw away over $50,000 on your mortgage? That's exactly what can happen if you walk into a loan application without knowing one specific number. It's not your income, and it's not your down payment. It's the secret key that lenders use to unlock their absolute best interest rates. Stick with me, and I'll tell you what that magic number is, and more importantly, how you can get it. Applying for a home loan is incredibly stressful. You're about to make the biggest purchase of your life, and you're drowning in confusing terms. But the biggest fear is that you're getting ripped off. You have that nagging feeling that someone else with your exact same finances is getting a much better deal, a deal that will save them tens of thousands of dollars. Well, you're not wrong. Lenders size you up with one thing, and that one thing separates the cheap loans from the wallet-draining ones. That secret key is your credit score. This 3-digit number is your financial report card. A higher score tells lenders you're a safe bet, so they'll roll out the red carpet with their lowest rates to win your business. A lower score screams risk, and they'll charge you a premium. Now, for most conventional loans, you'll need a 620 score just to get your foot in the door. Government-backed FHA loans might go as low as 580 or even 500. But let me be clear. Meeting the minimum is not the goal. It's like accepting a participation trophy that ends up costing you a fortune. The interest rate you get is based on tiers. A score in the 620s is a C-. A score in the high 700s is an A+. What does that mean in real money? The difference between the top and bottom credit tiers can easily be over $150 a month on a typical home loan. That might not sound life-changing, but over 30 years, that adds up to more than $50,000 in extra interest payments. The difference is absolutely massive. So, what's the number? What's the credit score that unlocks the best possible mortgage rates? While every lender has its own secret sauce, the industry-wide consensus points to one clear target. The magic number is 740. A score of 740 or higher is what lenders consider excellent. This is the tier where you are officially a low-risk borrower, and you get offered the best rates they have. Some lenders might reserve their absolute premium rates for a 780, but 740 is the widely accepted gateway to those elite deals. Getting to a 740-plus score isn't an impossible dream. It just takes discipline. Here are the 3 things you need to focus on. First, pay every single bill on time. Your payment history is the single biggest factor in your score. Automate your payments so you never miss one. Second, get your credit card balances under control. Keep your balance below 30% of the limit on every card. If you have a $10,000 limit, don't let the balance go above $3,000. Third, don't open any new credit accounts right before you apply for a mortgage. Every application can cause a temporary dip in your score, so resist financing a new car or furniture. Your credit score is one of the most powerful financial tools you have. Hitting that 740 magic number isn't about bragging rights. It's about saving a potentially life-changing amount of money on the biggest purchase you'll ever make. It puts you in the driver's seat, empowering you to land the cheapest mortgage possible.